Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, and it comes with beautiful zari borders, and the saree is an acid washed premium quality Tassa silk. And here we have a very different colored saree, a light rama green shade, almost in a turquoise tinge, and we have the prints in the pallu that is done using royal blue, and we also have the zari lines, very contrast royal blue shade, light royal blue it is. Blouse piece with one side the temple design printed using black. The complete saree is in the beautiful light pastel shade, the green in a very different shade, and we have a 3 layers of temple border in black. It is printed, and we have the body having blue prints. That is also a floral, a very elegant border also with a thin border in royal blue at the end of the saree. Very different design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu here with block prints and the zari lines on black color, and we have the jet black color for the blouse piece as well. One side we have the blue copper sulphate blue shade borders. The complete saree is in black and blue portion. We also have green. The top half is completely blue and the lower half is cream with black prints, a closely printed design in the black portion, and we also have the borders of the saree done on black base itself. Antique zari is used. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep navy blue color pallu with block print design as well as the zari lines printed in the blouse piece, and we have a pink blouse piece here, body color blouse piece with one side deep navy blue color borders. The saree completely is in navy blue and pink shade, mild pink, and with very mild floral design printed all over using half white color, and we also have the borders in both sides. It is navy blue with printing in half white again. Excellent design, very simple and beautiful prints with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with the zari lines and vertical block prints that is done using black here, and we have same red blouse piece with one side yellow borders, mustard or orange mixed, different color it is. The same color is given for the body also. It's like a yellow and orange mixed shade color, a pale mango color it is. With the lower half we have a full black and prints done using the body color, and we also have the zari borders on the reddish maroon shade base. Very different saree, beautifully printed with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. It's a soft and beautiful fabric. Here we have a green pallu with block prints in blue. It's a very different and geometric pattern printed along with the zari lines, and we have same green blouse piece. It's almost a parrot green shade with the one side the blue borders in the blouse piece. The printing is done in the copper sulphate blue shade, mild blue all over. It's kind of a checked pattern, and inside it we can see a beautiful flower pattern. Everything is in a geometric way, so it gives a beautiful look to the saree. A trendy and beautiful saree here with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a dual color pallu. Purple and grey is given on the pallu vertically, and we have lines, vertical lines pattern. And we have the purple blouse piece as well, completely plain with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having zari border in the base of purple, and the saree here is in a cream base with batik kind printing all over, done using mild pink shade, and we also have the big floral design that is done using blue. Excellent saree, almost a floral pattern, beautifully printed with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a dual color pallu. The saree have a beautiful design, and the pallu is also having two colors, yellow and orange, and we have zari lines as well. And we have yellow blouse piece here, completely yellow blouse piece with both sides zari border. One side we have orange border in the blouse piece. The saree having 3 different layers. The first layer is beautiful orange, and next we have yellow, and the lower half having blue portion with prints in floral designs printed. Very elegant one, beautiful colorful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green shade saree, same color pallu, and we have dark green for the base of the zari lines, and we also have prints completely done using red and green, dark green, and the same dark green is given for the blouse piece as well, with one side light green borders. Saree here is in beautiful light green, almost a fluorescent radiant green it is, with the borders in the dark bottle green shade, and the middle part of the saree is completely printed using the dark green and maroon. Beautiful one, very different design, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. The saree here is a black saree with black pallu, block printed design vertically, as well as we have zari lines. The complete zari work and zari border is an antique finish here. Black blouse piece, fully plain one. The saree is completely in black again with prints all over done using half white color. We also have a border design and a beautiful all over printed design which is in a V shape. Very elegant one, simple but beautiful one, the majestic black with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful magenta pink color pallu with block prints and zari lines, white prints used, and a very contrast grey and blue mixed color, almost grey blouse piece. The saree have beautiful splittings. Almost 3/4 of the saree is pink here with mild palm leaf design printed, and the lower half is completely the blue and green grey mixed color with printing in half white color and pink shade color. Very beautiful one. The color choice is very fantastic and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with zari lines and a very beautiful tribal pattern printed in the pallu, and we also have same red body color blouse piece. The body color is light orange and yellow mixed color. The same color is given for the blouse piece also. The complete saree is having the red border for the zari border base, and the saree is a very beautiful color shade with the tabela and the musical instruments pattern printed all over. The complete saree is in the music instrumental concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, hand block printed, premium quality, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with block prints in vertical way done using white, and we also have zari lines. And same red blouse piece, antique zari used here for the zari border all over. The saree have beautiful color combination, brown in the both side borders, and we have beautiful lines pattern that is done using half white, and the middle of the saree is in a very different shade of yellow, orange and yellow mixed shade, pale yellow and orange mixed shade it is, with the spiral design in the block printing that is done using the brown color. Very different colored saree, very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a multi-color pallu, green, blue as well as dark blues given in the pallu along with zari lines and block prints, and we have a light blue shade for the almost an ananda blue shade for the blouse piece. The complete saree is in blue concept with mild green here and there. The saree you can see a light shade blue, a very beautiful blue it is, and we have a 3 splittings in the border, green as well as dark blue, and we also have a navy blue shade in the lower half of the saree along with the block prints. Beautiful one, very different concept, elegantly printed with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a blue pallu with beautiful block prints. Turquoise is used for the block prints. Ancient design is printed, and we also have zari lines, and the turquoise green and blue shade is given for the blouse piece. The complete saree is also in the same shade with printing completely in blue. We also have the borders in blue. Beautiful printing, closely printed all over design. Simple and very elegant saree in a different color, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, green shade pallu with light turquoise shade for the block prints. Black is used for the block printing, and we also have zari lines, and same green is given for the blouse piece as well. The saree completely is in the mild turquoise green and blue mixed shade. It's a very beautiful pastel shade, and we also have a different checkboard pattern that is done in black, grey as well as in green shades. Excellent saree, very new design with authentic silk mark.